Nice and light, fresh and crispy, quick and easy. Let's pick our cucumbers. I have some Persian baby cucumbers, an English cucumber, and a field cucumber. You can use one variety for this salad or use all three like I'm going to do. Why not? They all have their own unique flavor profiles and will add variety to this recipe. I'm also going to leave the skin on, but you can choose to peel it off if you like. So I'm going to use half of the field cucumber and half of the English cucumber and 2 Persian baby cukes. For the field cucumber, I am going to remove the seeds as they tend to have a lot of them. And then for all the cucumbers, cut any which way you like, small chunks, big chunks, or even grab a mandolin and slice a few up as thin or as thick as you like. Have fun with cutting up your cukes. And then add everything to a large bowl. This is an optional step, but you can pre-salt your cucumbers to release some moisture and then just drain the liquid out before preparing the salad. Next up are the radishes. I have 4 to 5 that I'm going to be using, and we will just trim the ends, wash, and then cut or slice. The radishes can be very peppery for some people, so cutting into small chunks may be a bit much, but I'm a fan, so for me, I'm going to cut up a few and then use a mandolin and slice as thin or as thick as you like, but I would go more on the thin side with the radish because you won't get as much as the pepper punch it packs. Also, here's that second Persian baby cucumber that I forgot to slice up earlier. And there we have our salad. Now it's time to dress it up. In a medium bowl, add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, then finely chop up half to 1 small shallot, and then grab some fresh dill and finely chop up about a 1/4 cup of it. You can use more and definitely save some for garnish. Then season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, add a drizzle of honey to taste, and grab a whisk and whisk it all up until well combined. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings. Now it's time to mix everything up. I'm using my hands as I find it easier to mix everything well. Mixy mix mix and taste again and adjust any seasoning, and then plate it all up. Garnish with more fresh dill, some freshly cracked pepper, and bring that big ass bowl of freshness to the table. So this definitely is a nice light, refreshing, crisp salad. The cucumber and the radish, perfect together. Go heavy on the dill, trust me, I love it. So I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.